Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Caseology Volt for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And this is for the 47mm. They do have it available for other sizes. I will link them down in the description below to where you can pick them up on Amazon. But I picked this up for my Galaxy Watch S23, sorry. My Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Right here. It looks like it comes with a wipe and stuff. I don't know if it comes with a... Yeah, they just give you a wipe and a microfiber cloth right there. We don't really need that. We're not putting a screen protector on or anything like that. I don't think you have to take the band off. So we're just going to slide it on over the edge there. Yep, it just snaps on like so. There you go. You can see it kind of recesses the screen in there, so that is protected. And then your bezel right here is still available right there on the edge. It does not have your full bezel right here. It's just this side right here, which is kind of nice. You can kind of just scroll through right here. And then it does cover right here in the middle, and then has open cutouts for your buttons, and of course your back right there. So you can still charge and everything. All your sensors will work. But that is the Caseology Volt for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Again, this is the 47mm specifically, but they do have it available for the other sizes as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.